Today, I came to a place whose story feels like a half-burned book. Welcome to the dried-up Cheshmeh-Ali, a place where only the shadows of memories still dance across the stones. I am the little prince of Persia, and today, I left River Ali empty-handed. Not because there was nothing there, actually, everything was still in place. The stone walls, the neat benches, the newly installed sign reading, "Please do not enter the water." Everything except the water itself. Just 20 years ago, this place was like a beating heart. Kids in tight pants would jump into the water, and fish would hide behind the rocks, startled by the chaos. Mothers would spread their colorful rugs across the stones and hum old tunes as they beat them clean. Grandfathers smoked hookahs by the water, telling their grandkids stories of the days when the river was so full you could wade in up to your neck. But now there's nothing left but pale benches staring blankly at the passers-by, whispering, "Remember when we used to matter?" 10 years ago, the grown-ups decided to beautify Cheshmeh-Ali. They said, "This place needs organization." So what did they do? They paved the stream, built fences, put up signs, and separated the water from life. Now, no one swims in Cheshmeh-Ali. No one steps into the water. There isn't even any water left to step into. Sometimes, grown-ups kill the very thing they're trying to preserve. Like a bird whose cage is made so beautiful, it forgets how to fly. Cheshmeh-Ali is now just a memory, one that doesn't breathe anymore. And if Cheshmeh-Ali had a voice, maybe it would say, "I wish you had loved me as I was, not as you wanted me to be."